Hello and welcome to Datablog. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to create and edit comments and notes in Microsoft Excel. Before I proceed with this tutorial, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to my channel to keep supporting me. If you are using older versions of Microsoft Excel, chances are that you might have only one feature called comments. But in the latest versions of the Excel and as well as Microsoft Excel 365, there are two different features called comments and notes. Comments or notes serve the purpose of providing additional information or context to particular cell, which is useful for the users to better understand what's going on behind any particular cell, and it also helps in great way when multiple people are working on same worksheet in a collaborative setting. You will better understand the difference between comments and notes when I show you some examples. So let us begin with comments first. I have this data set. All of these are applicants for career counselor position. I found this particular candidate as a potential candidate. Now I want to comment down it. To comment any particular cell, you just need to click on that cell, right click and click on new comment. In Microsoft 365 or latest versions of Microsoft Excel where you have worksheet sharing option, comments are nothing but threaded comments just like social media comment. I'm going to post my comment here, potential candidate, and click on this arrow mark to post comment. Now it has created a comment and you can see the author name. In a collaborative setting, when I share this file with my friends using share option, they can see this comment and they can reply to it. Wow, profile looks good. As I said, comments are threaded in nature. You can see the comment and replies in a threaded fashion. Now to edit any comment, you can just click on this particular pencil icon and you can edit it and click on this tick mark. And similarly to edit the reply, click on this pencil mark and you can edit it. If you want to delete this particular reply, just click on these three dots and click on delete comment. And if you want to delete this entire thread, click on this particular three dots and click on delete thread. You can only delete thread if you are the author of that particular comment, which means that you have posted the first comment on that cell. I'm going to create one more comment. For that, I'm selecting this particular cell. The second way to create a new comment is select the cell that you want to comment on, go to the review tab and click on new comment. Second best candidate. Now we have two comments on this particular worksheet. If you want to look at all the comments present in this particular worksheet, under the review tab, you can click on show comments. Now you will see all the comments. The beauty of this particular window is you can see all the comments and replies to those comments and as well as the cell where the comment is present. Like this particular comment is present in A3 cell and this particular comment is present in A6 cell. You can see the same cell name here as well. So this way we can create comments in Excel, we can reply to comments, we can edit replies and comments, and we can delete the replies and as well as the entire thread in Excel. I'm going to hide this comment section. Now let us look at how to create notes in Excel. For example, I want to create a note on this particular cell. To create a note in Excel, just right click on this particular cell and click on new note, and it picks up the name from the logged in username, and I'm going to type a note. Look at this profile. Now when you click on other cell, this particular note gets hidden. To view this particular note again, you can just hover on that cell and you can see the note. If you want to make it as a sticky note, just select the cell, go to the review tab, click on notes and click on show or hide note. So this becomes a sticky note and it will be visible all the time. Now I'm going to notes again and click on show or hide note again to hide this note. I'm going to create another note. The second way to create a note is select the cell, go to the review tab, click on notes and click on create new note. Loved it. I can delete any text here. I can delete even the author name here. You can just click on that particular cell, right click and click on edit note to edit it. Or the second way is select the cell, go to Notes and click on Edit Note. To delete the note, just right click and click on Delete Note. The other way to delete is just click on this particular comment, click on Show or Hide Comment, select this particular comment box, and you can hit Delete button now. To view all the notes present in worksheet, you can go to Notes and click on Show All Notes, and it converts all the notes into sticky notes and they are visible all the time. And again, you can go to Notes and uncheck Show All Notes, and it will hide all the notes. Unlike comments in Excel, we can format notes in Excel. For that, you can select the cell where there is a comment and go to Notes, click on Show or Hide Note, click on this comment box and right click, and you will get this Format Comment option. Here you can format the font or the font style, font color. For example, I'm going to select the white color, colors and lines. I'm going to select this particular color as the background color. Let's go to colors and lines, and I'm going to select a starred border. I'm going to select this one and click on OK. Now you can see a starred border around this particular comment, and the comment background has been changed. The font color has been changed. This way we can format notes in Microsoft Excel. I'm selecting this cell and I want to hide this particular note. Show or hide note. You can hide this note. In latest version of Excel, we can convert all the notes into comments. For that, select the note, go to Notes and convert to comments. When converting notes to comments, any images and formatting inside them will be removed. Do you want to convert all notes to comments? We know this is going to happen because comments won't support any formatting, notes support formatting. So when you are converting notes to comments, obviously the format will be gone. Convert to notes. So it is converting all the notes into comments. Now we have created comments, we have created notes, we have seen how to edit and as well as format notes. But what happens when you are going to print this particular worksheet? I'm just undoing and converting them back to notes. To look at the print preview, there are two ways to do that. One is you can just go to File and click on Print. Now we are not seeing any comments. I'm going to the Review tab and I'm going to click on Notes. I'm going to show all notes. Now when you go to File and click on Print, you will see the notes in the print preview. You are only seeing notes and you're not seeing any comments. If you want to hide these note boxes and if you want to look at all the comments and notes, the other way is go to Page Layout, click on this Sheet Options down arrow. Under Comments and Notes, select at End of Sheet, click on Print Preview. Now as you can see, we have one more extra sheet here, 16 out of 16. You can see all the comments and notes in this particular sheet, like the cell number, whether it's comment or note, the author, and what is that comment, and the timestamp. So this way we can see all the history of the comments and notes in this particular worksheet. So this is the good way to print comments and notes when you are going to print out that sheet for your review purpose. That's all folks. I hope you enjoyed this Excel tutorial on how to create comments and how to create, edit and format notes in Excel. Please do subscribe to Datablock for more Excel tutorials, and I will catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thank you.